Hey, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today I'm going to show you a really cool website. It is called TV.garden, and on this website you can find live and local broadcasts from all around the world. So the website is tv.garden, and when you get here you can either select your country from the right-hand side right over here, or you can just go to this interactive map of the world and select a location. So I'll say, let's try India. And then to the right, you will see all of the live broadcasts that are available in India. Now, I believe that most of these come directly from YouTube, but what's nice about this site is rather than you having to go search something out, you can just click the country and then it will bring everything up. So let me try this one. This is the Kolkata News. Okay, so that is the Kolkata News. So let me just go back. That is from New Delhi. Let me try a different country. I'll go, how about here? This is the US. Now I'm just going to pick a random channel that's out here. Let's see. I want to find like a local news. How about this one? Fox 25 in Boston. Looks like we're right in the middle of a commercial break. Let me try let's do Fox 23 in Missouri. Man, I keep getting these commercials each time I try to find something. But here you can see that it brings us to this channel, which is in Florida. It seems like a local access channel. And then from here, if I ever wanted to like play this on a monitor in a room, I could just put this into full screen. And there we go. So kind of cool if you had extra monitors maybe in an office or in a room and you just wanted to put up different broadcasts. This is one way that you can do it. Okay, so let's try a couple others. This is Australia. I'm going to go to ABC, Australia. And as you can see that we have a news program that's on. Let me just go ahead and mute that so the sound doesn't come through. But there is our Australia. Let's just pick a random one. I saw that one. Let me go up to China. And this is what is so cool. If you want to see like what's going on in different countries, you can just select. Let's just try this one. And right here, we have this broadcast that I could watch. So this is really interesting. So I think this is a really cool site. Very simple, very easy. But if you're just looking for something that's kind of cool to check out, go ahead and go to tv.garden and you can watch broadcasts from all around the world. This might be something interesting if you want to see how a particular country covers a topical event. And that's it. I just wanted to show you this very cool website which shares video broadcasts from all around the world. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if this is content that you enjoy, it would be awesome if you could subscribe. So thank you again and have a great night.